This 2024 Keystone Bullet 2840QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features a Ashland interior, sleeps 10, microwave, slide-out, TV antenna, air conditioning, spare tire kit, self-contained, oven, LP detector, smoke detector, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Bullet 2840QB is 5,970 pounds. This 2024 Keystone Bullet 2840QB. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.